Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volvo XC60 key battery. First, you'll need to identify the correct battery type for your key fob, which is commonly a CR2032 coin battery. Next, gather your tools. A small flathead screwdriver or even a coin will usually do the trick. Familiarize yourself with your key fob's design to understand how it opens, ensuring a smooth process without causing any damage. Now, let's get your key fob open. Begin by removing the emergency key blade, usually found by sliding a small catch and pulling it out. Then, look for a small release catch or button on the side of the key fob. Gently slide or press this and carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time and avoid applying excessive force to prevent any damage to the casing or internal components. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, observe how the old battery is positioned. For a CR2032, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, usually faces upwards. Use your small screwdriver or coin to gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it, making sure the positive side is facing the correct direction, just as the old one was. It should click securely into place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly until they snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test the key's functionality with your Volvo XC60 to ensure it locks and unlocks the doors properly. This confirms your new battery is working. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.